Teret 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 teret. Apa nu?
What I recommend, our breakfast set.
Breakfast set.
Breakfast set.
Okay, her choice.
Big breakfast.
Big breakfast. Yeah.
Big breakfast. Oh, okay, terima kasih. Tacos combo. So kalau combo dia ada mushroom, beef and also chicken. Tiga sekali. First, they mention yang sausage ni adalah homemade dia sendiri lah. So let's go with mushroom first.
Wow, the crunchiness.
It's like you're eating a vegan vegan taco. But also macam savory, fresh, vegan. It's crispy of taco. It's not so thin, it's not so thick. But I think if you left it out for quite some time, it's going to be soggy. Kita macam Mr. POV lah. Next, we would like to try chicken. Ini bawah macam orang tu takut lah sebab dia ada protein kan. Tadi macam mushroom, dia macam light sangat apa. Tak. Sikit kan daripada yang mushroom kan. Let's try the beef one. Last one. Oh.
Just tebal.
So yeah, dapat dihabiskan. Alhamdulillah.